So here is the Model S steering wheel. It used to have a yoke steering wheel, and what you can do is that you can retrofit it. Essentially, you're gonna pay around, I think $750 or so to get the new wheel. They'll remove the yoke, and then they'll install it for you, and then you get this new steering wheel. I actually kind of like it a lot better than the yoke. Yoke has been kind of hard to turn and kind of like go left and right. So this is actually a lot nicer. I'm thinking about switching over to the steering wheel. Let me know your thoughts. Should I switch over? Yes or no? So one of the cool new features about the Model S 2022, 2023 is that the screen tilts. I believe I have like a 2022 earlier version of it and the screen doesn't tilt. So if you press that, the screen will tilt to your left. Press this, tilts to your right, or to the center. And then you press this, it'll tilt to your right. Unfortunately, my Model S doesn't do this, but essentially I just keep it in the center. It's been pretty nice for me. I'm able to see the road a lot better and just gets the job done. One difference is the charging port. So it looks like the charging port now is similar to like the Model 3. Essentially it goes up. Also the lights are different. Similar to the Model 3 Model Y lights, this portion here doesn't go all the way over here like it used to in the earlier refresh of the Model S. So you still have the same lights. Pretty cool. I like it a lot better. One difference you can tell it's a plaid is because it has the carbon fiber spoiler. I bought one myself on Amazon for about $100, but if you want to buy one through Tesla, it's like a lot thicker than the one you get on Amazon, but it's also around, I think, $400 for the spoiler, which is kind of expensive. And you get this cool plaid badge.